Hi, my name is William, and this is my project for Python 2. The project, we got this inspiration from my mom because she forgot to buy something that was at the grocery and it was available. So we decided to do a grocery store project for our capstone project. We started the project by making a dictionary and we put values for each key. Then we asked the user if they if they, then we ask the user what they like to buy, and if they say they wanted to, but something is not on the shelf, it's going to restart. But if not, it's gonna ask you how many items you wanted, and if the number matches, it subtracts from the amount in the inventory in the dictionary. We use the dictionary for inventory, the keys for the names of the grocery, values as amount. We also use the while loops to show the inventory and ask what to buy. We used if and else statements to check to see if the items are in the inventory. So how it works is when you click run, it's gonna show you the inventory, and it's gonna ask what would you like to buy. Let's say we want to buy pineapple, but it doesn't have pineapple, so it restarts. Now, okay, so now let's say we're out of water and the store does not have water. We can say we want to buy G Fuel, and it's gonna ask how many do you want. So let's say we want to buy like 13 of them, but the store doesn't have 13, so it tells you you don't. Sorry, we don't have enough. So now you have to go back there. Then let's say we want to buy one, and then you see G Fuel has subtracted one from its amount. Ways we can improve on the projects is I would add a system where every time it resets, it increases the other groceries by 1 to 5. It's basically like a restocking system. We can improve by asking if they're done the user if they're done shopping, if they want to go home. And now I'm going to yeah, bye. I'm going away. We